Hey, it's Eric with amilocals here, talk you through how to operate one of our styles of pool remotes. A couple things about our pool remotes is this is the only controls that you need to touch. You do not need to touch any of the controls on the heater or on the main motherboard for the pool equipment. Leave that for our pool service techs. Okay. We have one heater for the entire pool and spa. We heat our pools to about 84 degrees. When it's in pool mode, it's heating both the pool water and the spa water to 84 degrees. When you change it over to spa mode by pressing the pool spa button once, you'll see the light come on. That will then put it into spa mode. What you'll see then is the heater stops heating the pool and it will just heat the spa to just over 100 degrees. It takes about 45 minutes to heat up to temperature, and they'll run on a timer for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we'll shut back off and go back into pool mode. The pool then pool and spa will all heat back to that same 84 degrees. When it is in spa mode, the pool does not receiving any heat, so the pool temperature will drop a little bit. If you're not using it, you can always put it back into pool mode by pushing it once. Very simple. Turn on your lights. Water slide feature, if your pool has that, press that once and you'll see the water slide will come on. If you're not using the water slide feature or the blower feature on your spas, we ask you to keep those off so it's not running, as that actually will cool the pool off a little bit.